came out I came out of Tokyo Station. I was using Tokyo Station from past 3-4 days, but never came out. See the buildings, see the ambience. So it is like looking like Manhattan. So excellent. So we should come out of subway, exit and see the buildings, railway stations in Europe and US. So they look excellent. So because we always travel in the subway, see we never appreciate, we are never able to see the buildings. See, this is Tokyo Station, near Tokyo Station. So that is Imperial Palace, I think. So this is Imperial Palace. I will show you. So yeah, there is no entrance. There is no entry to visit. So this is Palace Hotel. So it might be very, very expensive because it just closed in front of Tokyo Station. So I came out of this exit. See, exit looks very small, but when I came out, so everything is beautiful, excellent. See, Agricultural Bank of China. See the bank. So they provide loans to agriculture. So this is Sky Bus. Oh, I didn't know about this. Otherwise I would have taken it. Sightseeing bus, Tokyo sightseeing. So that is the station building, brick building. I was looking for, asked two ladies. They said I have to go down and again go out of the station. But I asked one task force guy. So he just pointed out it is only like 500 meters from where I was standing. I was taking video. So this is Tokyo Central Station. In front of Tokyo Central Station. Excellent. So see the architecture. So I will go close to the building and I will enter the station via this building. And because my train is at 11:27, so at least 10-15 minutes before I have to reach the platform, because we never know, sometimes the path will be a bit long, so to take the train, to board the train, so it's always advisable to at least go 15 minutes or 20 minutes earlier to JR trains, to board Shinkansen or bullet trains. See, this is called Marunouchi building. So this is red bricks. This is famous. So I have seen several videos, like several hundred videos in YouTube. So all YouTubers, so when they show Shinkansen journeys, Shinkansen travel, so they always start from this building because this is history. This itself is a monument. So I heard that it's constructed in the year 1920 or 24. So I will cross whenever there is a green signal for pedestrians. So then I am in hurry. So I have to go. I have to take train. So now you can cross. So this is the road. See the buildings. It's looking like Canary Wharf in London, or La Défense in Paris, or Manhattan in New York. So it is nothing less than that. Even though this is in Asia, so it developed country, developed long back, not now. I think it developed in the year 1964. So then there was the Olympics. In the year 1964, same year, they have started Shinkansen trains, bullet trains. So from that time it was booming like anything. So from past maybe 2 decades, the growth was sluggish because of several factors. So but before that, till 90s, so this was booming, and it is number 2 in GDP, number 2 in the ranking in the world. So still they are excellent multinational organizations. So in this country, like Honda, Sony, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Yamaha, Suzuki, Panasonic, Sansui. There are several hundreds. Philips, Philips is Netherlands. So several hundred companies, based out of Japan, and they became multinations, and no one can beat them. For example, for ferries, for boats, you see they always have either Honda or Yamaha engines. So there is no competition there. So this is the Tokyo Station Hotel. So we can also stay here if you have maybe thousands of dollars account. So I will go this side. You can see taxi, hotel drop off or taxi drop off. You can also book taxis here. So this is very convenient. So I am going towards, you can see, Shinkansen trains, Marunouchi South entrance. This is the Marunouchi South entrance. So I have to take Shinkansen train to Shin Fuji, that is station where I have to take train or bus to Mount Fuji. So you can see Shinkansen guide logos. So my train is at 11:27. So this is a ticket office, beautiful ticket office. So restrooms are there. So everything. So whatever we ask for. You can see Tohoku, Yamagata, Akita, Hokkaido, Joetsu, Okuriku, Shinkansen, all available. I have already experienced, traveled by Hokkaido and Joetsu, Hokuriku, 3 Shinkansens. Now I am doing Tokaido line. So you see 11:27 is platform train number 10. So time, destination, track 10. So I have to take that one. So it is, yeah. I will use this lines. I was going in wrong platform. So I asked one Japanese guy. He told me that Shinkansen train. So I have to take this Tokaido line. So which is platform 19, Kodama 721. You can see Shin Fuji. So Shinagawa, Shin Okayama, Urayawara, Atami. So this is fast. So this is my coach number is 14. So car number. So whichever. I was thinking differently because at the same time there is one more train. So but I have to check the train number. I was not checking. We should always check train number. This train number is 721. That train number was 10. So that is slow train. It is Shinkansen. So mine is car 14. Seat 12B. I have only 2 minutes time because I was wasting time in other going also. I'm coming from there. So I have only 2 minutes to go to car 14. But it's fine, I can go enter into any car, then I can take it. So this is car number 8. So now you see time, 11:25. So we never know, they suddenly close the so better I get into one car and so I'll just show you. This is car number 10. I have entered into car number 10 and from inside the train I will go to car number 14 because I'm not having enough time to go into car number 14. So this is Kodama 721 going to Nagoya. Kodama means it stops in more stations, more cities than Nozomi. Nozomi is super fast, then Hikari, then Kodama. So this is 11. This is also result. So I have to go another 2 cars. Mine is 30, 14, 12 now. 12E is a seat. So still train is not going, not starting, but it will start anytime. Yeah, we already started. See. So I have to go to 14. So the train is speed is up and down because it is bullet train. So speed is not constant. It will stop at Shinagawa next stop. So next is mine. These are all resort cars. So these are toilets. These are the places where we can put our luggage. So this is 14. I finally reached my coach. So both have seat number 12. So this is seat number 1. So I have to go 12 seats ahead. This is my seat. 12B. Finally I have reached my destination for next 1 hour 20 minutes. So this is the train. This is Shinagawa, Tokyo suburbs. Sinagawa station. First stop for Kodama.